Keep your home warm and your system running smoothly this winter with these quick HVAC maintenance tips from Joy HVAC. First, check and replace your air filters regularly. Clean filters improve airflow and efficiency, keeping your home comfortable. Second, program your thermostat for energy savings. Lower temperatures at night can reduce costs while keeping you cozy. Finally, schedule a professional inspection. Joy HVAC experts can spot and fix potential issues before they become big problems. Stay warm, save energy, and enjoy a stress-free winter. Contact Joy HVAC for expert HVAC maintenance today.